Hello everybody and welcome back to HotCuppaCrypto. My name is Jordan and today guys we have an interesting new project that we are going to be showing to you guys, and nothing in this video is financial advice. It is for education and entertainment purposes only, but this might be something that you guys find pretty interesting actually, because the name of this project guys is in fact called Apex Finance. So it is apparently the next evolution in decentralized finance, and it is it is claiming to be the mutual fund of crypto, right? Built on the Ethereum blockchain. Copper launch is now on, and you can actually click this link right here, and you can go to their bootstrapping liquidity event. Right now, I have never seen something like this, but I believe this is the same type of thing as like a pre-sale on Pink launch or something like that. Right, it lasts for 5 days, and as you can see, it has just started here, and here's the 5-day countdown timer, and they have generated, as you can see, I believe already quite a lot of liquidity here. $318 of liquidity, maybe. That's pretty crazy. Or I don't know how it works, but all I know is that I think that you need to connect your wallet here in order to participate. Now, this is extremely high risk, but potentially very interesting at the same time. So this is for you guys to definitely do your own research about. However guys, yeah, I thought it was a pretty interesting project, so we're going to show you guys the white paper and what this project is all about here in a minute. But just going back to this cuppa.launch.com. So this cuppa.launch.com website, I believe, right, is some kind of like Pink sale equivalent or something like that. The point is that they generate liquidity here and then launch the project. So what it is you can see it's the current status of the bootstrapping event. It's currently active. It started on today, which we will be releasing the video right now, so that you guys will be early to this project. And then here are the links to all of the Etherscan and things like that, the address. You need to verify this and go and check out the owner's wallet and everything like that, and you can see it here. But there is an important thing around here, and that is that this warning here: the LBP has not been vetted by any curators and carries an increased level of risk for participants. Okay, so I believe that the owner can remove liquidity. Sorry, the owner's rights here, swapping liquidity. So pause swapping, they can allows the owner to stop the LBP early while retaining the ability to restart it, and it allows the owner to withdraw liquidity at any point during the LBP. So you must have trust in the project and in the owner, and then in the goals of this project. What is the project? Well, the description of this project is that in the fiat world there are what everyone knows as mutual funds, right? It's basically run by a fund managers investing into several different types of asset classes. Now, most people invest into them as an easier way to gain exposure and invest into a basket of assets that they may not have the expertise in or time to watch over on a daily basis. The financial health of a mutual fund is often determined by their NAV, so that means net asset value ratios. If a mutual fund's NAV ratio is at 1:1, it would mean that their market cap is equal to the value of their assets and or investment instruments. Very often NAV ratios would hover around 0.80 to 1.25, right? So based on the future performance of their assets for Apex Finance context, the ratio would be MCTV, market cap to treasury valuation. If the ratio is below 1%, you are getting a discount, and above 1%, you are paying a premium. That's worth it because you have an ecosystem of investments that would yield us earnings via means of crypto mining, yield farming, our own decentralized exchange, which is a DEX, and deflationary measures installed into our protocol via buybacks, burning, maximum supply cap mechanism, and liquidity bolstering, right? So our treasury health is the heart of our protocol's success. So what that means is it's slightly similar, right, to something like the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. You guys may have heard it. It is like a mutual fund whereby the net asset value can actually fluctuate. So you can buy the fund at a discount and the other way around as well at certain periods of time, based on certain circumstances. Now, if we jump over to the website, if we quickly scan down this, you can see that the treasury is everything. So They also click up here. They have a guide to buying on Copper Launch. So this is where, guys, you find the instructions, okay, for buying. It will take you over to that Medium article here. Now, you guys must read through this and do your own research. Remember, never invest what you can afford to lose, and always have proper risk management when it comes to cryptocurrency. This is not financial advice. This is just for the purposes of reviewing this project to show you guys all of the information and simply. This might be something that you guys are interested in. However, the treasury is everything with this project. In a fiat world, this is what we just went over, and it says the same thing here about what it just said. And it has these sections here, and this is their ecosystem: the crypto mining, the decentralized exchange, yield farming, masternodes, partnerships, and governance token. The crypto mining is the foundation of their ecosystem. The proof of work mining yields stable and constant APY, apparently, right? Which is something that apparently is very rare. So always take that with a grain of salt. But this is what they're aiming for, apparently. Masternodes have stable yields from masternodes that have utility. Example, Flux and Presearch. That is like very popular node projects, guys, in crypto. Flux and Presearch. It gives stable yields over time, basically, similar to those kinds of projects. Earnings from, and this is the decentralized exchange section, earnings from transaction fees and utility created from AFX, which stands for Apex Finance, right? Apex, so that's AFX, excuse me. Tokens within our decentralized exchange, and then partnerships with like-minded protocols to diversify our portfolio. Yield farming, various range of APR and APYs on different liquidity pools, and governance token, allowing the AFX token, which is what it's going to be, right? A governance token holders to be proxy governance token holders to earn bribes from various decentralized, decentralized autonomous organizations, right? So DAOs. Now that is what this is, right, guys? This is for the AFX token liquidity bootstrapping event here. Now, if you want to understand how to participate in this, all you have to do is collect your wallet, and over here is the instructions for doing the rest, right? You literally buying and selling and all of this stuff here on cuppa.launch.com, which I have never used, guys. I have never used. However, it seems to be an interesting thing that I probably need to do some more research about. However, the project seems interesting and promising. However, remember, it's ultra high risk, especially at an early stage. But that is where you can find the hidden gems sometimes that can do, 100 and 1000 X's in crypto, right? It's when you take the biggest risks, but then it pays off. So of course, sometimes it doesn't pay off in crypto, and you can lose all your money. So just be careful, guys. This is like playing with fire. Cryptocurrency is purely at certain times, it is purely gambling. However, with proper risk management, if a gamble pays off, it can literally produce some insane returns, and that is what we are after and we are hunting for when we are looking at these low cap and brand new projects and low cap gems, right? It's going to give you passive income, sustainability, and liquidity bolsterers. Inquire dynamic, which is the burning of AFX tokens with our Inquire dynamic to further compound value into the tokens. Over here, the passive income is that tokens can be staked for USDC within their own Web3 application in the near future. Having a max supply cap and no rebasing would ensure that we can compound value into the price of our tokens and not have investors constantly selling an endless supply of tokens. Liquidity bolsters. Profits from our ecosystem will be converted into USDC, right? And used to bolster up our liquidity pool to increase the price of AFX token. They have been they've got their KYC with Cyberscope by Coinscope, so they've KYC'd and partnered with cyberscope.io to assure their community has gained more outreach for the protocol. And this is their roadmap down here, so you can see they have plans to do a contract audit, which is coming next apparently, which is good after batch 5. They have batch 1, 2, 3 to basically 1 to 5 of their launch here. And then contract audits, multi-sig wallets, marketing, listing on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, and then listing on Uniswap, right? Games, governance token acquisitions, partnerships, crypto mining, USDC staking, and many other things as well. And then more things over here to come. So do make sure to come over here and check this for yourselves, guys. And if it seems like something that seems good to you, scanning through their roadmap here, which you must always do. As a reminder, it's always part of your responsibility to do your own research when it comes to these kinds of crypto projects. But with crypto, you got to relax and have some fun, guys, because seriously, you can't take crypto seriously. You need to never invest more than you can afford to lose. So, you know, like be very, very careful with cryptocurrency and just have some fun with it and try to learn over a long period of time and gain some beginner knowledge and understanding. And I would try to create more content for beginners in the future as well. So they have their introduction, which we have already kind of gone over. The roadmap, staking, compounding, taxes, frequently asked questions, sustainability, intrinsic value and utility, phase 1 and staking dynamics, buying the FXX tokens, how to use a copper launch and liquidity pairing. Their website and their Discord and their Twitter and Telegram links are also down here on the white paper as well. Now, links to this, all of these that we're going through, all of these pieces of information are going to be in the video description down below, guys, if you want to go ahead and check it out and do some research. So the introduction to the project. So Apex Finance are a team from backgrounds in crypto development, finance and business. They believe that they can make DeFi truly better via means of splicing the best and evolving. In a nutshell, they take heed from the best of their counterparts and improve on them by learning and improving upon their virtues and issues. We intend to form partnerships with the best in DeFi spaces. Our goals are to improve and forward DeFi as an integral part of our future and, of course, attain profitability from our community. So AFX is a token that is built on the Ethereum network, ETH, and behaves like an ETF or mutual fund, right? So that's what the token itself holds. It holds the value of the mutual fund, right? We have a maximum supply cap of 1 billion AFX tokens and are well positioned to bring DeFi to the next level with our extensive experience to form a conglomerate of crypto projects, real world investments to constantly build our protocol's financial health and profitability. Our ethos is to be an apex predator in terms of perpetual sustainable profitability for our community, and the 2 rules for us is to attain perpetual sustainable profitability for the community. And remember rule number 1. Again, welcome to Apex Finance. Now, the rest of this I will leave for you guys to go over, but this is just a basic introduction to the project. I don't want this video to be too long, guys, but you need to check out their main features, which is staking and compounding, taxes, right? So you must understand this, like you're taxed on 4% on buys and then 4% on sells. They have liquidity, reserve fund, deflationary measures, and an investment treasury. So go over all of this. But they seem to have some dynamic tax tiers down here also, and some different features, right? But we're going to go over to the frequently asked questions. So, is AFX a fork of other DeFi projects? Kind of, but not really too. We believe we are an evolution of our counterparts. We take what we learn from others, evolve, improve, and build that into our protocol. Why are we using Copper Launch, right? So this explains why they're using that website called cuppa.launch.com. So we are using Copper Launch because it would seem more fair and the market decides on the prices. We also would have to put up the initial liquidity, and that would mean we are focused on the protocol and looking to seriously build upon it. Is Apex Finance audited? We will apply to get audited by Cyberscope or Solidity Finance. The core team is being KYC'd with Cyberscope. Security, all funds from Copper Launch will be placed into our multi-sig wallets and contract address posted here on our white paper. Liquidity pool will be locked for 5 years. Minting of new tokens will not be allowed. Once we launch our protocol, this is the Inquire dynamic, we would be looking at specific times to begin burning our AFX tokens. However, this will be depending on market conditions and be made known to our community with the burn wallet contract posted here. Why are we using USDC to be paired with our AFX token? We want to dynamically grow and compound AFX token prices organically so that AFX tokens will always seem attractive for investors to trade and hold. Being paired to a stablecoin gives us the stability and consistency in regards to our token price. In the future, when we enable bridging for AFX tokens, it will also help make things much easier and of course stable. So this is their Discord group, guys. You can go on here as well, and the links to their Telegram, Twitter and Discord are going to be down here at the bottom of their white paper. Now make sure to go through the sustainability section. This highlights the importance of their treasury and again goes over the net asset values ratio and how that works for a mutual fund. The taxes and treasury gains are down here, guys, and the tax breakdowns is also down below. You need to go through this in order to understand how it works fully, but there is some huge upside potential in this project, as well as extremely high risk. So this is not something that, you know, you would go crazy in, but it might be something that you have as a little side thing on the side, basically. So there's phase 1 staking dynamics over here as well. Now this is going to explain over a period of time the locking periods, which is 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days, which are the staking rewards, and that the staking rewards are paid in USDC, and the longer you lock it, the higher APY you get, right? Sorry, the higher APR. So, you know, there's 12%, 22%, 38%, and 60% available. So pretty interesting here. It's really offering some insane yields if you think about that. Imagine being part of this fund and getting these high yields on top of it. So again, do your own research, guys, and this is something that you may not want to miss and look into in order to do some research. So yeah, and then here they have a guide again to how to use Copper Launch and buying the tokens, if that's something you guys are interested in. So I'll leave the links to this white paper and the event, bootstrapping event, and, you know, this project, brand new project launching now, which is the Apex Finance. Again, guys, if you like to see early projects, then subscribe to the channel HotCuppaCrypto, and we will be delivering to you guys brand new cryptocurrency projects, more here on this channel soon, and some, you know, cryptocurrency content for beginners as well, and also some crypto news and updates, especially when the market starts to get spicy like it is now with Bitcoin pumping. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, going over these interesting DeFi projects popping up. We will be delivering to you guys more insane content soon. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Let me know what you are drinking down below. Thank you for the amazing support on the channel here, guys. We are looking to explode this channel soon with some more content. My name has been Jordan, so thank you guys so much, and we'll see you on the next video here on HotCuppaCrypto.